So I'm in Beverly Hills today. I'm gonna show you guys this famous witch house here in Beverly Hills. So this is the north side of Beverly Hills. I'm gonna make a left and go to this famous house. Let's get back to the street. Beautiful palm trees. Beautiful palm trees and houses. $1 million houses. I'm gonna make a left and show you guys this house. I mean, I filmed like at least like 5 videos out here in Beverly Hills. They are. You get beautiful palm trees and $1 million homes like this. Beautiful. There's another beautiful house right here. You got the Cadillac, you got the Corvette, and a Ferrari right there. This is how you know you're in a rich neighborhood. Ferrari and Corvette. There's another. These are all like over $2 million houses right here. I'm trying to find that mansion I was talking about. Like, this is a house like that looks like a witch house, like where they do like all this magic shit. I don't know how to say it, but like they call it the witchcraft house. It should be right here, somewhere right here. Anyways, this is Belfort Drive, Beverly Hills. It's really sunny actually. Let's keep going. So I'm gonna make a right down there, and then I think the house that I was looking for is like right there, like a couple streets to the right. Here you go. So the house, according to Google Maps, should be right here on Walden Street. You will see what I'm talking about right now. Should be. Oh, it's right here. Ah, this is what I'm talking about. See how it looks? This is exactly what I'm talking about. It looks like a witch house, like that. But it is actually a person that lives in there. It's owned by some guy owns. A guy owns. This guy that owns this house. They have a fountain. Damn, that looks weird. Imagine living here, coming here at night, going inside the house. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's on Walden Drive and Carmelita Avenue. And it says armed response, so don't try to get in there. That's what it is. So this is the you can Google it, witch house Beverly Hills. It's called Spadena or something like that. Spadena House or something like that. That's what it is. Let me see if I can get a shot from the other side right here. Yeah, you can get a shot. It says, please don't pick berries. They have berries here. Please don't pick the berries. It looks like a Halloween house. This house, they have a fountain. They have a fountain right there. So that's what it is. That's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna stop it right here. Here you go. It's the witchcraft house. So here in Beverly Hills, it's sunny and witch house. That's it. I think I'm gonna stop it right here. That's the video right here. Look at the door. The door looks cool too. Check out my friend's website, tearouge.com. She has she sells herbal tea, allspice tea. She has Casablanca. She has angel fruit. So she has different tea flavors or different tea, mango, peach, apple, blueberry. Yeah, the website, if you guys want to check it out, if you guys tea drinkers, you can check it out, tearouge.com.